She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of delicacy, emotional depth, and unmistakable vocal color, Rose didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming a childhood love for music into one of the most recognizable voices in modern pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 11th, 1997, in Auckland, New Zealand, and raised in Melbourne, Australia, Rosé's journey began far from the polished training rooms of Seoul. Music was her earliest language. She grew up singing in church choirs, learning guitar, and developing a natural sensitivity to melody and emotion. Encouraged by family, she auditioned for YG Entertainment at the age of 16 in Australia, placing first among hundreds of participants. Soon after, she moved to South Korea, stepping into a new culture and an intense trainee system that would redefine her life. Years of disciplined training followed. Under YG Entertainment, she refined her vocals, dance technique, and performance skills while adapting to a demanding industry standard. In 2016, she officially debuted as the main vocalist of BLACKPINK. The group's explosive debut quickly positioned them as a global force, and Rosé's distinctive tone became one of the defining elements of their sound. Her voice, airy yet piercing, soft yet emotionally charged, stood out in both high-energy anthems and stripped-down ballads. As BLACKPINK expanded into international markets, performing at major festivals and topping global charts, Rose emerged as a bridge between Western and Korean pop sensibilities. Her solo chapter marked another milestone. In 2021, she released her single album, R, with On the Ground, achieving historic chart success for a Korean soloist. The project revealed a more introspective side of her artistry, exploring themes of ambition, identity, and the emotional weight of success. Rather than relying solely on group momentum, she demonstrated independence and personal storytelling through music. By 2026, Rose is regarded as a versatile global performer. Industry insiders recognize her vocal consistency and emotional delivery. Audiences connect deeply with her authenticity, and fashion houses view her as a refined cultural ambassador. Her career reflects strategic growth, balancing group achievements with solo evolution. Offstage, her lifestyle combines elegance with restraint. She maintains a disciplined routine that supports vocal health, physical conditioning, and creative focus. Music remains central to her daily life, whether through songwriting sessions, studio recordings, or quiet acoustic moments. Her fashion presence mirrors her artistic persona. Known for sleek silhouettes and minimalist luxury, Rose frequently represents Saint Laurent and Tiffany & Company at international fashion events. She carries a poised confidence that feels natural rather than constructed, allowing her to transition seamlessly between concert arenas and couture runways. While public curiosity often surrounds her personal relationships, she remains measured about what she reveals. She consistently centers attention on music and artistic development. Within the industry, she is described as hardworking, introspective, and emotionally attuned to her craft. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, album sales, endorsements, and long-term luxury partnerships. Beyond financial success, she has secured international credibility and sustained influence in both music and fashion. What many find compelling is her emotional transparency. She speaks openly about vulnerability, self-doubt, and the pressures of fame, channeling those experiences into songwriting and performance. This emotional honesty quietly defines her artistic signature. Rosé's journey is marked by refinement rather than repetition. From a choir singer in Australia to a leading figure in global pop culture, her rise reflects courage, discipline, and artistic sincerity. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern international stardom, graceful, focused, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a calm demeanor, remarkable vocal stability, and a sincerity that resonates far beyond the stage, Seungmin didn't simply debut as another idol in the competitive world of K-pop. He cultivated his own identity, transforming dedication, discipline, and passion for music into one of the most respected vocal careers of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 22, 2000 in Seoul, South Korea, Kim Seungmin grew up in an environment that encouraged learning, self-improvement, and personal discipline. Long before international tours and chart-topping albums, he was a student with a strong interest in music, sports, and performance. His natural curiosity and determination would eventually guide him toward a career that would place him on some of the world's biggest stages. His journey into entertainment began when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment. Entering the trainee system introduced him to years of rigorous vocal practice, dance training, and performance development. Rather than relying on natural talent alone, Seungmin became known for his relentless work ethic and commitment to continuous improvement. In 2017, he participated in the survival program Stray Kids, where audiences witnessed his growth and dedication firsthand. The experience tested his resilience and strengthened his confidence as a performer. In 2018, he officially debuted as the main vocalist of Stray Kids alongside Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, and Ian. As Stray Kids rapidly expanded their global presence, Seungmin's vocals became an essential part of the group's identity. His voice combines clarity, emotional control, and consistency, allowing him to navigate both powerful anthems and emotional ballads with equal effectiveness. Whether delivering soaring choruses or intimate acoustic moments, he consistently demonstrates maturity beyond his years. Over time, Seungmin established himself as one of the most reliable vocalists among fourth-generation K-pop artists. His performances showcase precision, confidence, and emotional awareness, qualities that have earned praise from fans and industry professionals alike. Through countless live performances and international tours, he has continued refining his craft while maintaining remarkable vocal stability. By 2026, Seungmin is regarded as a versatile global performer. While he remains a key member of Stray Kids, he has also gained recognition through individual projects, special covers, and vocal performances that highlight his unique artistry. His career reflects steady growth built on consistency rather than shortcuts. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance, discipline, and professionalism. He is known for maintaining routines that support physical health, vocal conditioning, and personal development. Despite his demanding schedule, he often emphasizes the importance of preparation, practice, and self-improvement. His public image combines sophistication with approachability. Unlike performers who rely heavily on extravagant personas, Seungmin's appeal stems from authenticity and quiet confidence. His polished fashion choices, composed demeanor, and thoughtful communication style have contributed to a reputation that resonates with audiences across different cultures. While public interest frequently extends to his personal life, Seungmin remains relatively private. He consistently places focus on music, performance, and artistic growth. Fellow artists and industry professionals often describe him as dependable, hardworking, and exceptionally dedicated to his responsibilities. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, streaming platforms, and various entertainment activities. Beyond financial achievements, he has established long-term credibility as both a vocalist and performer within the global music industry. What many people find compelling is his consistency. In an entertainment landscape driven by trends and rapid change, Seungmin has built his reputation through reliability, steady improvement, and genuine passion for music. His ability to remain grounded while continuing to evolve artistically has become one of his defining strengths. Seungmin's journey is marked by perseverance rather than shortcuts. From a determined student in Seoul to one of K-pop's most respected vocalists, his rise reflects discipline, patience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern artistry, focused, dependable, and built for longevity. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.